How to unblock someone on Discord. Accidentally blocked someone or ready to reconnect with an old friend? Unblocking on Discord is simple. Just follow these steps and you will be chatting again in no time. Let's get started. First things first, launch the Discord app or go to discord.com and log into your account. On the left sidebar, click the Friends tab. It looks like a smiley face at the top left. Once you are in the Friends section, look at the top. You will see tabs like Add Friend, All, Online, and so on. Tap on Pending. From there, go to Settings. Find the option that says Unblock. Scroll through your block list and find the person you want to unblock. Click or tap their profile, then select the three dots or right click and select Unblock. If you want to reconnect fully, tap Send Friend Request to add them back. And that's it. Now you know how to unlock someone on Discord and maybe start fresh. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.